Hello everyone, it's good to see you again and welcome to our lovely channel Nomadic Ikigai. With me, Johannes is going to be your host. Today I'm going to take you to the waterfall, which is actually very nice, located in Luang, Prabang, Laos. So if you wonder how it's gonna be look like, just gotta make sure that you gotta follow this video along as I'm going to take you to the beautiful waterfall of Kuang Si. So let us go to the Kuang Si Waterfall. Well, this is actually, I don't know, this is the top of the waterfall, because as you go down, you're gonna find another pool which looks like a waterfall, but this is actually the biggest one. So yeah, as you can see, this is the waterfall that I traveled to, which is actually good. It's a breathtaking view, and you know, like if you want to go to Kuang Si Waterfall, it's going to take you about 47 minutes from the downtown by motorbike. So I suggest you, if you want to come, you better go from the downtown around like around 12 or 1 p.m. So you will be arrived here between 2 or 3, so you would have some time to swim if you want to swim. But because here I don't want to swim, so I just don't take any extra clothes. So if you want to swim, make sure that you need to get your extra clothes. And the ticket's about like 25,000 kip for the foreigners. It's about $1.50 in the USD. And yes, I think that's pretty much, you know, the amount of money that you need to pay as you travel to Kuang Si Waterfall. So this is another waterfall. This is actually maybe in the first one was on top, and this is the lower one. This would be like the second one. Along the way down, you're gonna find like different pool like this, you know. So you would have another 2, if I'm not mistaken, down there. Yeah, it's pretty much like the same, but the main one is the first that I showed you before. So this is actually the pool that you shouldn't be able to swim, because they might try to sterilize it so that not many people are actually coming here and taking a shower here. But the other tools were able for you guys if you want to swim. Important note for you guys: if you want to go to Kuang Si Waterfall, you better go early, because I think I go here too late. It's like 5:30 and it's dark. It's almost dark, so I think the best time to go here is actually in the afternoon. Yes, between 2 to 5 p.m. and that would be the best part. I mean, the best time. And then this one is actually the last waterfall that you're gonna find. So 1, 2, 3, I think 4 different waterfalls, and then this is actually the last one. As you go down, this is gonna be the last one. If you want to go up to the peak, this is gonna be the first that you are going to find. So yeah, pretty much it. I'm just gonna be in rush because it's too late. I should have come here earlier, so that's okay. I'll take you guys to somewhere else today, or maybe tomorrow. I'm trying to explore another things. Yes, I should have come here earlier, but yeah, I'll see you later, guys. So this waterfall or the pool, this is actually like the pool that you can swim. Other than this, you're not allowed to swim, or you are allowed to swim in the other 2 waterfalls, but wouldn't be as deep as this one. So in terms of swimming, here would be the best place for you to swim. So all the way down, you're gonna find this. It's actually a bear shelter. So this is the bear. The bear was actually rescued from the wild trade. Therefore, they put into this conservation, little conservation. But it's going to be available only in the daytime. But now everything is closed because it's almost 6 p.m. in the evening. Yeah. So yeah, I would suggest you to come early, guys. Otherwise, you're gonna end up like me. Sabadi.
Something fine.
This is very nice. I think this is like traditional Laotian peanut here.
Ah.
You can find it all the way down from the waterfall.
5,000 or 500.
Thank you. Sabadi. Oh no, Kop Chai Lai Lai. Thank you very much. So yeah. So along the way back, you're gonna find a lot of this, you know, food vendors that sells a lot of things, especially peanut, as I have shown you before, and also this is banana chips. I have tasted it once and I addicted to it. It's so good. It's just very, very nice. So yes, if you come to this place, you're gonna find a lot of foods. All the way down, you will find a lot of grilled fish, grilled pork, grilled chicken, a lot of other food as well. So if you are hungry from swimming and the waterfall, you can just heading down and then eat as many food as you want. All right, catch you later. I cannot do this one. This is too hard for me.
Too hard.
The banana chip is good, but it's hard to chew. So
Tell your fans something about Laos.
if you go down late, there will be no buggy who's going to get you from this to the main entrance. So you gotta walk by yourself. But no worry, we love it. It just takes about like 10 minutes by walk or less. So it's okay. I take it as a compliment. As you go down, you see a lot of people. The local house.
See the dogs here.
The local houses, dogs, kids. Hello, Sabadi.
Sabadi.
How are you?
How are you? How are you?
All the way down.
No, take more than 10 minutes. Maybe
Yeah.
15 minutes.
So yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it. Walking down the road to the main entrance, it says about
We should have a dinner.
10 minutes. Sabadi!
Sabadi.
She's so cute. She reminds me of my niece back in hometown. So finally, I have arrived at the parking lot, and it's 6:11 now, which means that it takes about like 15 minutes to get down here, and I would definitely go back. I think like the door has been closed. I gotta turn around and find another way to get out of this place. So this is actually the bike that I rented, and it costs about 150,000 keeps, or about maybe $10 or $9, and including the petrol, that would be like the petrol is 30k, so that would be 180,000 keeps for 24 hours. So, and another 25,000 keep for the entrance to get to the Kuang Si Waterfalls. So in total, that would cost me about 205,000 keeps. So yes, to get to the Kuang Si Waterfall. Well, it's pretty much worth it. So if you guys want to go to Kuang Si Waterfall, make sure you gotta rent a bike. I suggest that this is the best options. Why? Because you can go and stop to any places you want to. Until next time, and see you.